You know the Underdown for the Ice Age Trail, the ski trails, maybe the snowshoe trails, or the bike trails. But where did we get all these hills? Hills that go on and on. Why are we so lucky to have such great terrain? And where did we get all these lakes? The answer, as you probably guessed, is the Ice Age. Tens of thousands of years ago, this land was covered with up to 2 miles of ice. As the glacier grew, its own weight pushed it southeast across Lincoln County. It's easy to see the terminal moraine of the glacier on the east side of the Underdown. The hill's end and the outwash of sediment begins immediately. High relief, hummocky terrain gives way to farmland on one distinct line. Northwest corner of the Underdown has more outwash sediment and what is called an ice-walled lake plain. These are formed when water collects behind the high ice of the glacier and sediment in the glacier slowly washes down to form a flat hill higher than the surrounding terrain. The hills above Copper Lake may be an ice-walled lake plain. The Underdown has many lakes, many formed as kettles by the melting ice. But the Underdown is slowly losing its lakes. Dog Lake is still going strong, but 10,000 years of succession have filled in many of the lakes with vegetation and sediment. Lakes give way to bogs, bogs give way to grassland, and finally trees will stand in the place of an ancient glacial lake. Imagine how the big bog looked 10,000 years ago. Let's take a look at the Mist Lake corner of the Underdown and imagine it 10,000 years ago, right after the glaciers melted. Lakes like Dog Lake would have stretched for miles. Let's take an Ice Age snowshoe hike through the Big Bog and the Bumpy Bog 10,000 years ago. The hollow would have been a large lake, and the Big Bog even larger still.
Mm-hmm.